Class 9th Science Chapter 2 Matter, Nature and Behavior. मैं प्रसाद सर. Today we are discussing about matter and its nature and behavior. First of all, in this experiment we have to see matter occupied space. How can occupied the space? There is a water. These are the waters in this experiment. And this is a vessel, you can say it is a glass, transparent glass. So when it is merged vertically opposite, so in this case there is no water inside the glass. Inside the glass there is no water. Here is only air. That means air, and that is the laser torch. We can see this one. There is a vacant space, but there is air. That means air occupies some space, and air is a matter. Water, it is your glass beaker, and that is beaker. So first thing, matter occupy space. In this experiment we can see every matter occupy the space. Now the second thing is conservation of matter. This is your conservation of matter. That means how can say conserve the matter? So first of all, there is a injection syringe, and in the injection series there is lemon juice. This one is lemon juice, and the total is injection series. Both are injection series, and the down there is a warm milk. This one is warm milk. It is given in your figure. It is your warm milk. This is your lemon juice, and this is your injection syringe. So what happened before the reaction? Without pouring the lemon juice in the bottle, there is no reaction. But as soon as we pouring the lemon juice in this bottle, so there is a precipitate will be formed. The matter made from milk, lemon juice, which is looking like a it's a precipitate. It's form a precipitate. It is looking like a paneer. So what will be happen? The matter is conserved. Matter neither created nor destroy. मैटर को डिस्ट्रॉय भी नहीं कर सकते हैं और क्रिएट भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैटर. दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट शोज द मैटर इज ऑलवेज कंजर्व. Now it is a question for you. 20 gram of A, and this is 20 gram of A, and 40 gram of B gives 25 gram of C and 15 gram of D, and 20 gram of E in the reaction. So first of all you can write the reaction. It is A plus B, it gives C plus D and plus E. What will be happen? It is 20 gram and it is 40 gram. This one is 25 gram and D is 15 gram. And what about to E? E is 20 gram. Now add them, the whole this one. 20 gram and 40 gram, it becomes 60 gram. And here's 25, 15 and 20. It is also 16 gram. So before the reaction, it is 60 gram, reactants are 60 gram. And after the reaction, the product, all the products are of 60 gram. So that is the law of conservation. Hence proved. It is the law of conservation. Hence proved. ये इससे शो हो जाता है कि every reaction have conservation law. Now matter around us. First of all, you can see matter around us. This one is matter around us. You have seen three pots are here, and that is the beaker. In this beaker, some solutions are there. First one is mixture of common salt. First one is mixture of common salt. It is a common salt solution. Common salt with water. And this one is mixture of milk or ink drop in water. And this one is mixture of chalk powder in water. यहाँ पर क्या है? कॉमन सॉल्ट विद वाटर है. It is common salt in water. This one is. And this is the mixture of milk or ink drop in water. And this is the chalk, mixture of chalk powder in water. And laser light is passing through all the solutions. As you have seen, there is no path. In this beaker, there is no path. So we can say path of light is not visible. The observation is seeing here, path of light is not visible. But in this, both the beakers, path is visible, where some path is dark and some path is light. This path is dark and this path is lightly, but path is showing in both the figures. So this one is given, path of light is visible. So we concluded that the pure solution is transparent solution, but the other solutions, they are not transparent solution because their solvent particles are moving here and there. Now, how can filter chalk which is dissolved in the water or other things which can be separated with the help of filter? How can form the filtration? So first of all, it is a filter paper you have seen on this screen. This one is a filter paper which is round shape. So first of all, fold from here like this. So filter paper, fold filter papers. It is, this one is double fold. The two filter papers is one. It is one time folded, and the now second fold from here. So it becomes looking like this one, and turn into a cone. It is a cone shape. And this is the filter paper fold in the shape of cone. Now put into the keep. This one is funnel. You can say funnel looking like this. This is a funnel. And the keep this folded filter paper is kept into the funnel. So you can put here like this, and properly built in a stand. This one is stand here. This is your stand. You can put here in a stand with the help of this clamp, and unfiltered solution is poured here with the help of glass rod. Glass rod, it is supposed to drop into the funnel. This one is funnel, and this is your decant liquid or filter papers. So what will be happen in this? In this, the filter liquid is here, which is filtered. That is called as filter liquid, and this one is, as you have seen, beaker. And the rest solute particle is seen on the filter paper. So we can separate with the help of filtration. So that is the process of filtration. Now what is the solution? Discuss about the solution. So first of all, solution has two things. First one is solute and second one is solvent. It has two things. First one is solute, this one is solute, and another is solvent, and they form a solution. As you have seen, the alloys are the solution also. Alloys are solid solution, and air is also, air has 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and rest of the other gases in some amount, and that is the gaseous mixture. So first of all, you can say air. Air is a mixture of nitrogen 78%, this one is 78%, and oxygen, that is 21%, and the other gases are present in this some amount. So this is the mixtures. It is a gaseous mixture. And now come to the alloy. What is the alloy? Alloy is a mixture of various type of metals. So for example, brass. This is your brass. Brass is a mixture of 60 to 80% of copper, 40 to 20% of zinc, alloy display the property of metal of which they are composed. जिससे ये बनाए गए हैं उसी की प्रॉपर्टी को ये शो करता है, एंड दिस इज वेरी हार्ड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. Now come to the property of solution. What is the property of solution? You can see here. This one is first your property of solution. In this, solute and solvent together constituents a solution. A solution can have more than one solute. Means ये solute से ज़्यादा solvent होता है. Second one is the constituents of a solutions are uniformly distributed at the level of atom and molecules. That is, its particles are very small. We cannot see with the help of naked eye. Because of very small particle size, the particles of a solution cannot be separated by filtration, nor are the separated heavily through to settle down. Last one, because of very small particle size, they do not scattered beam of light passing through the solution. So we don't know see the path of light beam in a solution as the previous example. So now come to the type of solution. This one is type of solution. First of all, we want to know the mass percentage of solution. So it is a formula of mass percentage of solution. In this, there is mass of solute upon mass of solution or into 100. So that is the formula for the percentage of the solution. How can find this? As you know, in the solution, there is two things. What will be things? One is solute and second thing is solvent. Always remember it is excess with respect to the solute, or you can say solute is very small with respect to the solvent. If water in water dissolve ink, so ink is a solute and the water is a solvent. You can see the percentage concentration of constituents of milk. मिल्क में क्या क्या होता है उसके बारे में आपको शो करके दिया हुआ है इस टेबल में. सो व्हाट विल बी हैपन इन दिस न्यूट्रिशन फैक्ट्स इन पर 100 ग्राम. पर 100 ग्राम्स में शो करना है. प्रोटीन्स दैट इज द 3.0%. It is in 100, so you can say 3.0%. Now second one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is present as a 4.7%. And the fat is present 3.0%, and saturate that is the 1.8%. Trans fat it is not defined, and calories in a kilocalorie that is the 58 kilocalorie. So that is the concentration of constituents of milk. This one. मिल्क के अंदर क्या क्या मौजूद होता है उसके लिए ये शो किया हुआ है. सो यू कैन लर्न वेरी वेल. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. नाउ हाउ कैन फाइंड द परसेंट of the constituents. Now it is your first question in your book, that is the example. So first thing, read it out this. Find concentration of solution of 40 gram common salt solute in 520 gram solvent. So first of all, we can see here mass of solute, that is the common salt, it is 40 gram. Now mass of solvent, that is the water, it is 520 gram. Now mass of solution, we can add both solute and solvent both. So solute is 40 gram and solvent is 520 grams. So it becomes 560 grams. So what happened? Mass percent, we have the formula for this. Mass percent, this one is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So mass of solute, that is the 40, and mass of solution, that is the 560, and into 100 it becomes 7.14%, and that is the answer. And it is the